So we've seen how you can convert a binary string to a denary string. Now we want to do it the opposite. So say for example we had the number 104 and we wanted to figure out what the binary equivalent for that was. So again, what we do is we start off with our columns. So we create our columns, and we know because it's 104 we're probably going to not need more than a few, but we'll do 8 because it's a good sort of benchmark to use 8. So let's do 32, we got to 64 and then 128. So what we need to do is we need to figure out which columns do we switch on that will fit in 104. So we start off with our largest column. Our largest column is 128 and we're looking to convert 104. So if we put 128 on, that would be too much. So we can't have that column on. 128 is too big. So we switch it off. Then we look at our next column. It's 64. Well, 64 is less than 104, so we could put that on. So we'll switch that one on. And what we do is we start off with some little notes down here. We start off with our final number, and if we switch our column on, we take that away, that column value away from that number that we started off with. So if we do 104 minus 64, then we're left with 40. So we've still got 40 to fit into this binary string. So let's have a look. We've got 32. Well, 32 is smaller than the value that we've got left, so we could put that one on as well. So let's switch that one on, and then we just do the maths again. So we've got 40 minus 32, and that leaves us with 8. So we've got 8 left to fill in for the rest of our binary string, and actually this is quite easy because we've got an 8 column. So we can actually just put an 8 in the 8 column, and 8 minus 8 leaves us with 0. So everything else we can just put as a 0.